The new Spydus mobile app is available for library customers on Spydus 11.7, 2024 Release 3 and later, to download for free from the iTunes or Play Store from December 2024. As well as allowing borrowers to search for and reserve books, renew loans, and view their loan history, the new app will allow them to view a list of libraries closest to their current location and log into multiple libraries and accounts at the same time. In this video, you'll learn how to request app access for your library, how to configure mobile app settings using the maintenance module in Spydus, what to expect when accessing the app for the first time, and how to navigate the app using the home screen options and menus available throughout the app. Let's get started. Both the old and new versions of the app will be running concurrently. The previous version of the app will have basic level support available going forward. The new app will be available in the following locations: Australia, the UK, and New Zealand. How to request app access for your library. You will need to advise Civica that your library is going to use the new Spydus app by raising a Civica support desk ticket. Once a library has confirmed they are going to use the Spydus app, a test system which is viewable only by that library can be provided. This test system will allow the library staff to familiarize themselves with the app's functions and customize the look and feel. Once the app is displaying as desired by the library staff can replicate the customized test app settings in the live system. To ensure your library is discoverable for your borrowers in the Select Library search field in the mobile app, it's advisable to finalize any live app updates and communicate your deadline to Civica at least 1 hour before required. Now let's look at how to configure mobile app settings using the maintenance module in Spydus. To configure your library's mobile app settings, you must have maintenance module privileges. Navigate to the maintenance module, select General, and then Mobile App Settings. In the Mobile App Settings screen, there are 3 tabs available to you: General, CSS Styles, and Discovery. In the Logo URL field, you can enter your library's brand logo. You can also use the e-card barcode type drop-down list to select the barcode format used by your library. In the Self-Issue field, you can enable the Self-Issue option in the app, allowing borrowers to scan books and have them automatically issued to themselves. The self-issue option cannot be implemented by libraries using security gates because Spydus Mobile cannot desensitize security tags. This functionality is scheduled for a future release. And finally, process self-issues in opaque or public mode. The default mode is self-service if opaque mode is not selected. This controls what parameters are applied to transactions. In the CSS Styles tab, you can choose from a range of colors and functions to ensure that the app matches your library branding guidelines. In the Discovery tab, the Search Field Type drop-down box allows you to set your library's preferred search type. This would normally be All Resources or Full Catalog. The default sort drop-down box allows library staff to set their library's preferred default sort order of search results. To save changes, save and close. Now let's look at what to expect when accessing the app for the first time. When the new mobile app is downloaded and accessed by users for the first time, the Civica branding will be displayed. Once logged in, the library's branding will be visible. When you select a library for the first time, you can set the Nearby Libraries toggle to on or off. This function will show libraries in a 50-kilometer radius from your location. If you have logged in previously, You'll see My Libraries showing a list of libraries you have logged into before. You can also search for nearby libraries using the search function at the top of the app. Some functionality is only available after the borrower has logged into their account, as with the OPAC. For first-time users, to begin, you will need to register for a library account. Select the Login or Join option at the top of the app screen, then select the Join hyperlink. Complete the form, noting that fields with an asterisk are mandatory, and submit. How the user can interact with the library after joining is dependent on library policy and how they have configured the library join online parameters. Note that this uses the same registration form and parameters as the patron would see if they were using the Discovery platform to register for an account. If you're already a member of the library, you can log in using your existing credentials. To log in, select the Login or Join option at the top of the app screen, enter your username and password, and click Login. Now let's look at how to navigate the app using the home screen options. Once logged in, the home screen of the app is displayed. Your name and the library you have open and are logged into will appear in the colored section at the top of the screen. Also shown are a hamburger menu icon on the left, which we will cover in detail in the next section of this video, and a notifications icon on the right, where you can access any notices and communications. The user icon is another access point for both login and join online. In the lower section of the screen are the home screen options, Discover, Display Card, and My Account. Let's look first at the Discover option. The Discovery browser launches within the app, providing like-for-like functionality as would be available if logging into Discovery using a browser on a laptop. At the top of the screen is a search field, where you can type the title of the item you are looking for, and click the search button. Once search results are returned, you can filter, bookmark, and even review items by clicking thumbs up or down. You can also save your selection and save your search. Clicking on any of the search result items shows a full display of the information available on that item. From the full display, you can view availability and place reservations. The home icon returns you to the home page of the Discovery website, or you can use the back arrow icons in the top left of the app screen to step back to previous screens. On the home page of the Discovery site, in the lower section of the screen are two icons, the home icon and the user icon. The user icon will launch the same user menu that you see on the top right of the Discovery website. Returning to the Discover screen, you can see a barcode icon and the instruction, Scan ISBN barcode. Click on the barcode icon and scan the ISBN barcode, ensuring you position your device to make sure the barcode is within the frame. You also have the option to manually enter barcodes if you prefer not to scan. The Scan Barcode option is an ISBN search. If after searching, you see a pop-up message with the wording "No matching results found for this barcode," you can check the barcode and try again. Returning to the app home screen once more, the second option in the main menu is Display Card, which is your library card. This is useful for using self-checkout machines in the library, as you no longer need to carry your physical library card with you. The final main menu option on the home screen is My Account. This offers like-for-like functionality as available through the Discovery platform on a web browser. Here you can view your status, alerts, messages, and your account dashboard. The account dashboard allows you to pay fines and charges if the library has a payment gateway set up. You can also view current and overdue loans, reservations, event registrations, and requests. The Family Account dashboard is also available here with the same functions as the My Account dashboard. By selecting the small menu icon at the bottom of the screen, several further options are available to you, including Dashboard, Personal Details, Current Loans, Available for Pickup, and more. Next, let's look at how to navigate the app using the available menus. Select the hamburger menu icon in the top left of the screen. Available options include Select Library, Accounts, Self-Checkout, Notifications, Settings, and Log Out. Let's look at Select Library. The new app allows you to be logged into multiple libraries at once and also have multiple users logged in at once at each of those libraries. Click the back arrow icon at the top left of the screen to return to the hamburger menu options. Next, select Accounts. When you select Accounts, you will only see the accounts that are logged in at the library that you have open. You can't see all the accounts listed for all of the different libraries at once. To see which account you are logged in under, in a different library, click the back arrow icon at the top left of the screen to return to the hamburger menu options. Now click on Select Library and choose a different library from the list, and the accounts you are logged into are displayed. You will need to log into each account for any newly accessed libraries. Moving on to Self-Checkout from the hamburger menu, you can see a barcode icon and the instruction, Scan Barcode. Click on the barcode icon and scan the item barcode, ensuring you position your device so that the barcode is within the frame. You also have the option to manually enter barcodes if you prefer not to scan. Once the barcode is entered, click the Self-Checkout button. As covered earlier in this video, the self-issue option cannot be implemented by libraries using security gates because Spydus Mobile cannot desensitize security tags. This functionality is scheduled for a future release. The next item on the menu is Notifications. There are no unread notifications visible in this example, which means that you are up to date with them. Push notifications are also available, sending alerts to your devices, even when the app isn't open. Select Filter to see the notifications for all of your logged-in users and filter by specific libraries. Use the Reset option in the top right of the screen to go back to see all notifications. Notifications can also be accessed by selecting the bell icon in the top right of the home screen of the app at once. In Settings, you can view the version of the app you are using and choose from available language options, which will increase in future. Use the final item in the menu to log out of the app. That completes this video tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful.